Once you click Practice Portal, it will take you to this live portal that looks exactly like the portal you will do your certification class in. Inside the portal, your PPT should load automatically. If it doesn't, you can click PPT and the lesson will be there. Both lessons will automatically be loaded. A will be first, and you can click through each slide by using the buttons on the right-hand side and the left-hand side. You can also jump to a specific slide number by typing it in here and clicking enter. Both the student and the teacher are able to see the slides, as well as they are both able to write on the slide. Note that the teacher's writing is in red, whereas the student's writing is in blue. It is important to note that the student is unable to see the cursor, so we do not recommend using it to highlight or circle. Instead, actually write directly on the slide and then the student will be able to see it. A quick note, if you notice that the student isn't participating or writing on the slide, check to make sure that you haven't turned off the student's mouse. If you click this button, it turns off their ability to write and you'll want to click it again to allow the student to write. You as the teacher can erase, select the erase button and a little eraser will come up and you can highlight the writing that you would like to erase. If you're on an interactive page, you can move the pieces around as well as write on it. If you'd like to restore the page, you can click this Restore Page button and everything will reset. There is also a Reward Slide button. If you click on it, it will jump back to the reward slide, and then again it will change to this Go Back button, and it will take you back to the place in the lesson you were previously teaching. On slides where you see a dino, it indicates that this slide is an interactive slide and that there are moving parts. There are also interaction tags that tell you the different ways the student might be able to interact on the slide, like circling, or drag and drop, or draw a line. Some interactive lessons have audio clips. You can simply click on it.
She flies a kite.
To play the audio, and then they have the ability to then drag and drop. Always make sure to play all of them. At the top of the screen above the lesson, we have these teacher directions. These are good guidelines to help orient you as the teacher as to what you should be doing on the slide. As you can see at the top of the lesson, there are stars. However, you do not need to use this as a reward system until you are interacting with a real student, and they are not included as part of the mock process. Inside the portal, your picture will show up here as the teacher, and then your mock mentor will be here acting as the student. You also have a chat box where you can type and chat different things in case you have audio problems or if you want to use it as a teaching tool within the lesson. We hope this overview of the interactive portal has helped you.